What up, my mechanics? You hear it. People can't even wait one more day to pop the fireworks. They just got to do it right now. But anyway, working on the SS. So if you think your fuel pump is acting up, I'm gonna show you the easy way to mess with it. Basically, going up in the car, put your seats down, get you one of these, maybe, I don't know. But the best way to go about it, as you see, I cut mines. I know it look like a D, since I know there ain't nothing, until you get right here, I could probably nail it or screw it back in with a nice secure door. You know what I'm saying? Don't go cutting if you think. Man, my knees hurt. Don't go cutting if you think don't go cutting if you think you ain't gonna do a good job, because you're dealing with sparks and all kind of crazy stuff. So I'm not finna drop the tank, but once you get to this point, just squeeze this side right here. See how that kind of goes in? Where's my flathead? Alright. You squeeze that. See how? Come on, focus, baby. See how this area, it kind of moves when you squeeze that? So you squeeze and pull out. Once you get this white one out, then you go on to the black one. And with this one, you gotta be careful with this white one though, cause it is kind of flimsy. But with this connection, the one I just put in, you have to like push both of those in. I slammed my finger in the door, so my thumb is crazy hurting, but push these two in, or you can push them in from right there, pushing them in and pull out. Let me see if I can get a good view of it. Let me see. You see what I'm saying? You push those tabs in from the outside. See how they go in? So you get that connection out. And with this one, obviously, just come on, baby, focus. Just hold this down and pull out. With this one, it's kind of different. Like, see, they on a couple videos, they recommended to use some picks, like this pick I was using, like the ones that makes like the L shape. They recommended to use some of those picks and go under here with it. The issue is, if you never change your fuel pump, you might break this, like I did the old one. Let me show you the old one real quick. So here's the old one. I tried my best to get it out, like I really did. It was just in there like forever. So if you look right there, that's what it is. It was in this It was in this older fuel pump. I don't know if this ever been changed out, but when I bought the new fuel pump, it didn't tell me. It didn't tell me to get this off from using the pick tools until it was too late. So like, I end up just going to if you can avoid breaking. If you can avoid breaking that, please do, because I'm telling you right now. That piece costs $50. This piece right here, $50. Trust me, I wasn't happy spending that. So what I did was, when I got the new one, like if you can't get the old one out, if you can't get the old one out and it ends up breaking, I bought a new one and I put some Dawn soap. I just put some soap around this squishy part, so that way it goes in the hole nice and easy. So, but if you end up not breaking yours, they go ham with that. But if you don't end up breaking yours and you catch this video before doing it, I would say try to put some soap in there. I don't know, man. Just maybe like a toothpick, or Q-tip, toothpick. Oh, Q-tip. My bad, Q-tip. Just go up in there and eventually it'll find its way in this hole, and then that way you can just try to like maneuver it, and then it might come out like that. But yeah, man, that's pretty much what it is, man. So just comment if you have any questions. Oh yeah, and when you turn the key to the on position, turn it on, off. Well, turn to the on position, on, off, like 3-4 times, so that way it primes it. You prime the system. I'll just hop in and just start the car up. You know what I'm saying? You got to get it ready, like a date. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out. Comment if you have any questions. This is for an SS, same as GXPs, Super, Buick Supers, and the SS. So comment if you have any questions.